Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Plug in a wired Xbox or pair a dual shock 4 via Bluetooth for reliable input. Use a USB 2, 0 or 3, 0 port to keep stability while playing. Open Steam and switch to Big Picture mode to manage controller settings easily. Enable Steam input for Dark Souls 3 to allow custom mappings and automatic profiles. Set polling rate to 8 ms when your controller supports it for lower input lag. Keep batteries charged if using Bluetooth. Low battery can cause input delays. Open the controller configuration for Dark Souls 3 inside Steam Big Picture. Use Steam input to map actions like LB, RB, L3, R3 for consistent controls. Assign quick items and Estus to a shoulder button for faster access in combat. Set the right stick dead zone to 0. 10 to prevent drift while aiming or locking on. Tune dead zone in small increments until joystick stops causing unwanted camera movement. Save the profile and test it in a safe in-game area before starting a boss fight. Install DS4 Windows only if Steam input does not fully emulate dual shock features you need. Use DS4 Windows to customize gyro, light bar, and additional stick sensitivity if required. Run Dark Souls 3 at 60 FPS and choose a 16:9 resolution for smoother camera and responsive input. Prefer a wired connection to eliminate Bluetooth lag during intense boss fights and quick rolls. Update controller drivers and Steam client regularly to avoid intermittent disconnects or button mapping errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.